Okay, I'm on J. I'm looking to do rent-to-rents, BRRs. I came here, I learned so much on my how to go about doing essay projects and all that, how to go about getting HMOs. Yeah, pretty much.
Fantastic. Tell me what it's like being taught by Samuel. What's he like?
Well, boy, Samuel is brilliant, brilliant. He's clear, very clear on what he's telling you. You can get to understand what's going on and all that. Yeah, man, Samuel is brilliant, lovely guy. And the staff, the team as well, very brilliant. Tyrone, man, Tyrone is brilliant. Yes, man.
So in the room with all the estate agents, there's deals happening. What's it like seeing people make money in real time, in real life?
Boy, I'm telling you, I didn't know that you have so people make so much money in and like being around them, seeing it for myself. It makes me want to go. It just gives me that drive to like go ahead and do it and really see that it can happen. So yeah, it's a lovely because I'm planning on joining the academy as well. So yeah, so I'm just starting off there and see how it goes. Yeah.
Doing the training, would you recommend it?
100%. I will recommend the training 100%. The support is here. Just being around people like these is like, mate, it's absolutely brilliant. It's brilliant.